pull, scoop, shoot. Pull, scoop, shoot. Like every other stroke, there are 3 components to breaststroke: the head position, or the breath, the pull, the arms, and the kick, the legs. We're going to start with the pull. When you pull in breaststroke, you want your hands to start in front of you, just like they do for freestyle. But for breaststroke, you want your hands to touch. Thumbs might be touching, forefingers might be touching with your thumbs tucked underneath. It doesn't matter. The first thing you do is pull out to the side just a little bit, not much, shoulder width apart, maybe. You pull out here, and then you're going to turn your hands inward and scoop the water in like you're scooping a bowl of ice cream in front of your face, and then shoot your hands forward together in the praying position. Once they get out there, then they can neutralize again to the starting position. Y, scoop, shoot. Pull, scoop, shoot. Pull, scoop, shoot. Pull, scoop, shoot. The most common mistake beginners will make when pulling in breaststroke is they will pull too big, too wide. If you pull behind your shoulders, likely you're going to bring your hands up underneath your belly button, which might go past your hips, and that's a disqualification. It's also just super inefficient. You're going to end up pulling up too high and then sinking down too low as a result. You want to stay at the surface of the water, so keep the pulls small and insignificant. Keep them out of the way. Breaststroke is a short axis stroke, which means your body rotates on an axis that goes from hip to hip across your body. So when you swim breaststroke like this, the primary source of power comes from your legs. Therefore, when it comes to the pull, I like to say keep it out of the way. Keep it insignificant. Teeny tiny baby scoops out in front to start. Since most people have a problem with that, I'll usually just tell them to lock their thumbs, and they'll just kick for months. They'll just do the kick, keeping their arms out in front, helping them rebalance their body back. Because when it's a short axis stroke, you want your body to be balanced a little bit farther back. You don't want to be tipping forward necessarily. Okay, so keep your body back. Pull, scoop, shoot. Keep it all in front of your head. Pull, scoop, shoot. If you found this video helpful, make sure you splash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel for free, become a member today. We're going to be increasing the price of the membership soon. Also, go ahead and follow us on the other social medias that are like Instagram and TikTok and all the other ones. Buy some merch. We are keeping one color each year, but every 4 years, as you just saw, we did our red color version. So if you missed that, sorry, you're going to have to wait till the LA Olympics in 2028. With that said, thanks for watching. I'm Johnny Rocket, and let's get swimming.